In the heart of the market square, a tapestry of vibrant colors and lively preparations for Eid unfolds, yet a subtle sadness lingers in Sammy's eyes, a silent contrast to the festive air. Amidst the aromatic allure of sweets and the glimmer of festive lights, Sammy walks through the bazaar, his inner world seemingly distant from the joyous celebration. In the depths of the antique stall, Sammy's gaze is ensnared by a dusty, forgotten lamp. Amidst the gleaming treasures, its unremarkable allure beckons him closer, hinting at secrets hidden beneath layers of grime. After a brief haggle with the shopkeeper, Sammy claims his mysterious prize, its allure palpable. A web of intrigue tightens around Sammy as he possesses the lamp, its enigmatic glow promising untold tales. Under the cloak of night, the family festively adorns their home with dazzling lights and vibrant banners, transforming their space into a beacon of celebration. Sammy, perched on the balcony, tenderly polishes an ancient lamp, unaware of the mystical event about to unfold. As Sammy continues, the lamp trembles in his grasp, heralding the imminent release of an otherworldly force. In a burst of golden brilliance, a mystical mist erupts from the lamp's spout, swirling and expanding into the night, signaling the advent of magic. Bathed in the warm glow of the living room, Sammy and Jamil confront the gravity of the three wishes, their expressions etched with solemn resolve. Jamil's voice cuts through the contemplative silence with a gentle warning. "Sammy, you must choose wisely." Sammy, her gaze distant with reflection, acknowledges the burden. "I know, Jamil." In a moment of heartfelt decision, Sammy's voice trembles with hope as she declares, "I wish for my father to be home for Eid." The piercing ring of the doorbell shatters the silence, signaling a moment of long-awaited reunion. Sammy's eyes light up with uncontainable excitement as he sprints towards the door, his heart pounding with anticipation. The door swings open, revealing their father, his presence igniting a symphony of joy that resonates through the home. Behind Sammy, Aisha and their mother emerge, their faces mirroring the same radiant happiness, completing the circle of love.